What's poppin', Wolfpack? We're going to be unboxing the Star Wars Unlimited Twilight of the Republic 24-pack booster box. Let's go ahead and rip this open and look at this cool box, because it actually does look really cool. May the 4th be with you guys. Alright, so we got 24 boosters. It's just what the top of the box looks like. The front, just got the logo. We got Droid over here. Oh my god, Obi-Wan Kenobi. Alright. I don't know if there's any order on which these go in. So we're going to go ahead and find out. Oh, they have different things. Because there's a Yoda. A Yoder. Good old Yoder. Right. The first pack, a Yoda pack. Interesting. So here's the back of our first Star Wars movie. The front we have Vesla. I don't even know who this is. Is that how you tell the rare? I'm assuming so. Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, they have little R's. That's cool. Alright, so there's our rare. We have the Nest. Headhunter Squadron. Warrior Drone. Strategic Acumen. 00M Series Officer. Devastating Gunship. Phase 1 Clone Trooper. Public Attack Pod. This is this way for. Oh, supposed to be. Interesting. Droid Deployment. Wolfpack Escort. Republic Defense Carrier. Disruptive Burst. Asajj Ventress, nice. Sam Heal. Also, we get more than one rare. Nice. And a Droid Starfighter. Interesting. You can't really tell the cards because of the light, so I'm gonna remedy that and then we'll be right. Alright, after destroying everything, I'm back. I put it so you can see it a little bit because it wasn't looking good with other. We got a Jango Fett up front. Interesting. I like Jango Fett a lot. Lair of Grievous. The Confederate Courier. Relentless Rocket Droids. Wartime Trade Official. Pelta Supply Brigade. Grenade Strike. Grievous Reassembly. Republic Commando. Republic Attack Pod. Heroes on both sides. Duchess Champion. Duchess's Champion. Clone Cohort. Aura Singh. A fine addition. And a Obedient Vader. I can't read. I don't know what kind of word Dredient is, but it's a word in my book. Next pack. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to put our leader in the back. Didn't know these were double-sided. Never mind. And there's just no way. Let's look at the back of these. Jango. And then this guy. Alright, we got Darth Maul. The level 1313. Baldroid and Maul. Interesting. I need to learn how to play this. Obedient Vanguard, Clone Heavy Trooper, Heavy Dentist, Aggrieved Parliamentarian, Guarding the Way, you know the way, Subjugating Starfighter, Daring Raid, Wolfpack Escort, Political Pressure, Droid Starfighter, Tactical Droid Commander, Squad Support. Hello there. Count Dooku. And a Grim Resolve. Do 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 Dooku. You play too much here. You play too much here. Okay, open this. Alright, we have Anakin Skywalker. The Lair of Grievous. Daring Raid. Devastating Gunship. Republic Tactical Officer. Sensational Corvette. Holdout Blaster. 41st Elite Corps. Republic Commando. B1 Security Team. Droid Cohort. Prisoner of War, Synchronized Strike, Vulture Interceptor Wing, Ferric Assault, Jesse, my boy, Jesse, my boy. I hope I get an Obi-Wan. Obi-Wan's my favorite Star Wars game. Specifically the Obi-Wan from the prequel trilogy, sorry. Got another Maul. We have the Crystal City. Oh, also we didn't look at the back of Anakin. Dang it. And that other thing's already gone, so. We have Clone Trooper. Republic Arc 170. Drop in. Heavy Pursuiter Tank. Falchion, Ion Tank, I am not good for it. Bactoid Spider. Soldier 501st. Armored Saber Tank. Hot Shot V-Wing. In Pursuit. Kashyyyk Defender. Disaffected Senator. Lutz Von Terry. A fine edition. And infantry of the 212. Dun, 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 dun. We have Quinlan Voss. Interesting. Lair of Grievous. Devastating Gunship. Repellent Tactical Officer. Sensational Corvette. Holdout Blaster. 41st Elite Corps. Coruscant Guard. Encouraging Leadership. I'm not sure. B1 Security Team. Droid Cohort. Anakin's Interceptor. Independent Senator, Shakti, Mas Amada, I don't know who that is, and a Stationer's Shuttle. I really like the packs on how easy they are to rip open and stuff. We have Watt from Amber, the Crystal City Clone Trooper, the OOM Series Officer, Outspoken Representative, B2 Legionnaires, old access codes, Trade Federation shuttle, Rylith militia, droid deployment, favorable delegate, phase 1 clone trooper, compassionate senator, Wara Singh, clear the field, Kit Fisto, and a phase 1 clone trooper foil. We have Newt. To Tipoca City. Clone Trooper. Hold Recon Commando. Infantry of the 212th. Factoid Spotter Droid. Grenade Strike. Heavy Pursuiter Tank. B1 Security Team in pursuit. Patrolling AAT. Clone Dive Trooper. Steadfast Senator. Battle Droid Legion. Provincial Destroyer. Aid from the Innocent. And a Petranaki Arena. Oh. Interesting. It's a foil, though. We have... Ooh, Count Dooku, one of my favorite Siths. Although, technically, is he really a Sith? I'm just saying. Level 1313. Vanquisher. Advanced Recon Commando. B1 Attack Platform. Padawan Starfighter. Merciless Contest. 501st Liberator. Phase 2 Clone Trooper. Elite P-38 Starfighter. Creative Thinking. Nameless Valor. Rune Hako. Low Altitude Gunship. Hoyang. And Luminaria Undula. It's a nice little foil lead. We have Queen Padme. The Nest. What's that about? Yeah. Squadron of Vultures. Droideka Security. Resupply. Grim Resolve. Trade Federation Shuttle. Encouraging Leadership. Armored Saber Tank. Freelance Assassin. Dwarf. Spider Droid. Soulless One. Synchronized Strike. Unshakable Wheel. Ki Adi Mundi. And then Hidden Sharpshooter. We have a Chancellor Palpatine. Interesting. They actually changed the art for that. Sundari. Headhunter Squadron. Bold Recon Commando. Royal Guard Attack. Separatist Super Tank. Yes. Dindups Loyalists. Precious, Perilous Position. Breaking in. ETA-2 Light Interceptor. Hidden Sharpshooter. Twice the Pride. Plo Koon. Manufacturer Soldiers. Saw Gerrera. And Ayla Secura. I don't remember her. I don't remember much about her. Isn't she from like my bad. I'm done. We have Newt Gunray. The mining facility battle droid. Trails position. Droid Commando. Batch Brothers. Knight of the Republic. Take captive. Volunteer soldier. On the doorstep. Super battle droid. Infiltrating demolisher. Lethal crackdown. Savage oppress. Private manufacturing. Constellation of power. And the B2 Legionnaires. This is the last pack. We're going to go through all of them, and we're going to get the commons and uncommons. Go straight to the back. See if we can get some cool stuff. Let me know what you guys think about this. Oh, we got him! We got Obi-Wan Kenobi. Yes. The city over here. Strategic Analyzer, daughter of Dathomir. Strategic Acumen. Reckless Torrent. Warrior Drone. Soldier of the 501st. Tri-Droid Suppressor. Hellfire Tank. Hotshot V-Wing. On Top of Things. Manga Guard Winged Leader. Shadowed in Intentions. Rush Clovis. And Bloodsport. Skip to the back on these. After we see our leader, obviously. We have another Anakin Skywalker. We have Hall City and a compassionate Senator Foyle. He's very compassionate dude. He's a very good dude. I am the Senate. We have another Count Dooku. This one I think different, but no, it's not the same. Pipe Palace, that's different. That'll do it. We have Bo-Katan. Nice. Strategic Analysis. Another Jango Fett. I don't know if it's the same one, so we're just going to look at it. And go to the back right here. We have Jyn Erso from one of the best movies. Unmasking the Conspiracy and an ETA Twilight Interceptor. What's your favorite Star Wars movie? Mine is Rogue One. We have Captain Rex. Boom. The KCM mining facility. Near that place. We have Bo-Katan again. And a tactical droid commander. Another Obi-Wan Kenobi. Tactical droid commander. An Equalize and a multi-troop transport. We have another Newt Gunray. General's Blade. And I have the high ground. Oh, we did it! Poor Anakin. Kind of deserved it, though. After what he did for the young ones, he kind of looked at Never redeemed himself in my eyes. We got Yoda! Nice! Yoda, only one for me, chat. We have Colton the Crossfire and a Genosis Patrol Fighter. We're down to our last 4 packs here. We have another Newt Gunray. Padme. We got Sand Hill and a Clone Commander Cody. We got me. We did it. I don't know why I held off on this. Josh, thank you for requesting this. Did I know Django Fat? This makes me really happy. Private Manufacturing. General's Blade again. Is there another one behind that? And a Droideka Security. Oh, I put Newt Gunray over there. Dude, come on, man. Come on, man. Quinlan Voss. Execute Order 66. Oh, shoot. Subjugating Starfighter. And the last pack, will the Force be with us with this? That's fine. We have a Padme Amidala. Boom, 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 boom. Jar Jar Binks, no! We got Cad Bane and a Grenade Strike. Cad Bane's pretty cool, though. That's a pretty cool character to end on. Alright, guys, I love you. I'll see you on the next one. Let me know if you want Star Wars to be a thing. I really enjoyed this. It made me happy, the little kid in me. Would not mind to play this. I'll learn, obviously. But Star Wars is always going to have a soft spot in my heart. And I love it so much. Let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite card we got was. Mine was probably the Obi-Wan. I'm very stupid. I like the Count Dooku one too. It's pretty cool. I had the high ground foil, was awesome. I like that a lot. Yeah. This hopefully will be more Star Wars to come. I hope you have a great 4th, and I hope you have a great May, and I hope you guys are awesome. May the 4th be with you. Goodbye. I love you. Hey, you. Yeah, you. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Also, subscribe. Please, for the love of everything, ring that dang bell. Let's go.